Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, I'm going to decorate my small entryway. And this video is a video collab with Lifeway that sent me those nice bed pillows. This box contains 2 queen size. Guys, I'm constantly working. If I'm not at work, I'm taking care of the kids, cleaning the house and everything. I'm always busy. At nighttime, I must have a good night's sleep. My pillow have to be very good, very soft. Guys, those one are very good one because those one provide excellent support, fiber filled, very soft, hyperallergenic, breathable, and dust mite resistant. I'm going to leave the link in the description box down below for you guys so you can check it out. Don't forget to use the discount code. Okay guys, let's get to work and keep on watching.
Time of the year now, you got people falling in love.
I want to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. And to all my current subscribers, guys, I love you so much. Without you, I will never be where I am today. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so.
It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights. The candles on the mantle, they don't flicker like they used to with the snowflakes falling down. It's not Christmas time without you. No.
It's been a few years now, and this cold town's not quite the same. I wish you were here now, by the fire, stoking the flame. Can hear Santa driving the sleigh, or was it the Grinch and he got away? Kevin's alone, not acting afraid, waiting for a white Christmas, and today snowflakes falling down. It's Christmas time, but you're not here right now to put up the lights.
This is the finished look, guys. Let me know what do you think if you like it. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you do. Even the place is very small, you can still decorate it and make it look so very beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching.
Round yon
Thank you so much, guys, for taking your time watching my video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!